Current tires commonly leak, slowly and unnoticeably. As a result, unsafe driving on underinflated tires is a common practice. The consequences are serious. But there is an ingenious solution now available. Coda Development presents the Self-Inflating Tire, a tire-integrated, fully automatic tire pressure maintenance technology. Simply put, SIT uses the energy of the wheel to self-inflate the tire when needed, keeping the tire always at its optimum pressure level. The system integrates a peristaltic tube chamber into the tire design. The chamber is kept closed at its lowest point by the normal tire deformation caused by the vehicle's weight. As the tire rolls against the road, the closure moves along the tube chamber, forcing more air into the tire with each wheel revolution, but only when needed. When a vehicle equipped with SIT tires is put in motion, underinflated tires will automatically reinflate to their optimal operation pressure. The clever SIT design is very simple, consisting only of two new tire components, the peristaltic tube chamber and a pressure regulator, which can be simply mechanical or electronic. Inflation is activated only when the tire pressure falls below its optimal level. When the proper tire pressure is reached, the regulator automatically disables the intake of atmospheric air and activates continuous internal air circulation. As a result, SIT tires will always operate at optimal tire pressure. SIT is a versatile technology offering numerous applications. While integrated SIT will be made an integral part of the tire during manufacturing, Retrofit SIT is a standalone product that can be fitted to regular tires and deliver the same functionality. In this version, the SIT feature is integrated with an inflatable structure, which is inserted into the tire in a similar way the inner tubes are applied in tube tires. This design also uses the peristaltic pump mechanism and allows for internal air circulation when inflation is not needed. Inflation is activated only when the tire pressure falls below its optimal level. When the proper tire pressure is reached, the regulator automatically disables the intake of atmospheric air and activates continuous internal air circulation. This is important for the durability of the system as it takes the load off the system components when inflation is not needed. Retrofit SIT can be used with both tube and tubeless tires. SIT is an original technology invented and patented by Coda Development. We offer licenses for technology and technical support to all manufacturers with progressive thinking. The tire of the future is a self-inflating tire. Only properly inflated tires secure optimal vehicle stability, braking distance, and overall handling. They also reduce the danger of blowouts. Correct tire pressure leads to lower rolling resistance, which improves fuel efficiency and reduces CO2 emissions. SIT is an automatic system allowing drivers to have confidence in knowing that their tires always operate at optimal pressure. SIT eliminates inflating tires at gas stations for an obviously more convenient and cleaner solution. SIT offers high added value for an attractive price. Its benefits are easy to communicate and relevant to today's market. SIT is an original technology invented and patented by Coda Development. We offer licenses for technology and technical support to all manufacturers with progressive thinking. The tire of the future is a self-inflating tire.